Hello YouTube friends. Me and my son came out here to Expo Center, Morristown, Tennessee, for a car show. Got some die-cast and model cars up there we looked at, bought a few, bought a couple. Bought me a 1/18 scale Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds, bought that model. Got me a Christine model car, die-cast, for the movie Christine. So I probably ain't gonna talk a whole lot. People may not like making videos out here. Some people don't want to be on the YouTube and don't like the faces on the internet, so I probably won't talk a whole lot, just walk around here. '72 Chevelle, I believe, SS 454. Nice car. Automatic on the column. Might be a straight shift on the column, I'm not sure. 67 Malibu. Let's go around the front of this Malibu, Johnny. A lot of cars out here. Take a few minutes to walk around all of them. Nice car. That's convertible. Red dice on the, man, look at them gauges down there.
I like that. I like the red interior.
Man, that's an awesome car. That's fucking rare. Excuse me, I said the F word. Forgot I was videoing. Fire truck, we're gonna check out this fire truck, Jeremy. What? SS Monte Carlo. Looks to be a 38 or 39 model Ford. I don't know. Let's take a look at it. Let you guys see this. 1933. Looks like what John Boyd rode to college. Check out this fire truck. Don't know what year. That's Morristown's first fire truck. I saw that on somewhere on Facebook or a YouTube video. Actually is Morristown, Tennessee's first fire truck. Wooden seat. Wow. Got lanterns on the side of it. Lantern up there. Excuse me. Some kind of an old station wagon over there. Monte Carlo, Ranchero, El Camino. You going where? That's Morristown. I've seen it on the internet before, Jeremy. That's Morristown's first fire truck. It says Morristown on the hood. Yeah. Morristown, Tennessee's first fire truck. It was put in I think they built a new fire station here somewhere and they put that in it. And I don't think they drive that on the road. I bet they haul it.
I'd say they trail it up here, yeah. The guy paid that for that 3340, paid $35,000 for it. That woman asked some strange woman, hey, how much you pay for that? I paid $35,000 for it.
I think this is a Pontiac station wagon. We'll go over and get black Camaro.
Yeah.
Later model Trans Am. 69 Camaro hideaway headlights. That's nice. That's your car?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
It is nice.
Chevrolet truck, 72 model, Cheyenne Tn. I'm going to stop the camera and restart it. Don't want to make a really long video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Like another video this evening of the models I bought. I'll be back.